What is that? You want? What you doing? What color is the table? What's the chair of Ethan?
White.
And your chair? Chair of you one? Blue. Eat. Where's the spoon? Spoon. On the floor. Okay, eat breakfast. Very good. Eat breakfast.
All wet.
All wet, right. We will clean it later.
That floor?
That floor, yes.
Wet.
Because of fruit shoot. Fruit shoot. Yes. Oh, what are you doing? Taking off your pants? Why? It's wet? Okay, say bye. Please say bye.
Bye.
Bye.